Flux 3 is here, and it's a major step beyond traditional AI image generators. But is it actually worth the hype? Let's find out. Intro. Flux 3 is the latest multimodal AI model from Black Forest Labs. Unlike previous Flux models that focused mainly on images, Flux 3 is designed to work across images, video, audio, and even action prediction. What makes Flux 3 different? The biggest upgrade is its multimodal design. Flux 3 learns from images, videos, and audio together, giving it a better understanding of how objects, movement, and sound relate to each other. For creators, this means you can work with text, images, or video references to generate and transform content. Video generation. Flux 3 Video is one of its biggest features. It can generate videos up to 20 seconds long with native audio generated alongside the video. It supports text to video, image to video, video to video, and keyframe based generation. It also supports multilingual dialogue, different visual styles, and multi shot sequences. Image generation. Flux 3 also improves image generation and editing. Black Forest Labs says it has stronger performance with complex prompts and more accurate text generation, including multilingual typography. However, as of the current rollout, Flux 3 is still in early access, so some capabilities and access options are still being introduced. Performance. Early evaluations are promising. Black Forest Labs reports that Flux 3 Video was preferred over several competing models in its preliminary comparisons, including Runway Gen 4.5 and LumaRay 3.2. But these are early company reported results, so they shouldn't be treated as a final independent benchmark. Verdict. So is Flux 3 worth watching? Absolutely. Its combination of video, audio, image generation, reference control, and multimodal understanding makes it one of the more ambitious AI models of 2026. But because it's still in early access, it's better to think of Flux 3 as a powerful platform that's still developing rather than a finished product. If you are interested in AI video and image generation, Flux 3 is definitely one to keep an eye on. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe for more short AI reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.